they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me.
What's up, Luchi Gang? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these goddess locks. Got so many compliments on this hair and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I got 6 packs of color T27 and 2 packs of color 27. I ended up using about 7 packs even though I did get 8 packs. I would recommend you get at least 7 packs of hair. I did a photo shoot and I had twist out. Actually, it was a braid out. So I have some old braid out here and I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz some water on my hair just so I can detangle it. After I'm done detangling, I'm gonna go ahead and section out my hair. I'm doing 2 sections, however, the bottom section is about 1/3 of my hair and then I left the rest of my hair to create the front section. I would advise that you detangle your hair prior. If you can, actually stretch out your hair before doing this hairstyle because this hair took me quite a while and I feel like I spent a significant chunk of time just detangling my hair. So if you can, go ahead and do your whole detangle routine before doing this hair, do your wash day, whatever you do to make your hair stretched out, okay, you just do it. For my bottom section, I'm gonna braid all my cornrows going up. And this is because I like to put my hair up in a ponytail when I do crochet hairstyles. I wanna be flexible. I want to be able to wear it in a bun. I wanna be able to do different types of styles. When I braid all the way back, it's really hard to do that. It's just almost impossible. So this is what I like to do. I like to braid the bottom part going upwards so that the huge chunk of braid is gonna meet in the middle of my hair. So when I'm done, it's going to be bulky in the middle of my hair versus the bottom of my head. That way I can still put it up in a ponytail if I choose to. Now I'm gonna start working on the top half of my head. So for this, I'm gonna create smaller sections. You guys already know that. However, the very first section on both sides of my hair, I'm gonna braid the cornrows going all the way back. After the very first cornrows on both sides, the rest of the cornrows, I'm gonna braid them about halfway and then I would connect them together. So I'm connecting 2 cornrows in one. If it's confusing right now, it's alright, just keep watching. I have a clip coming up really soon where you guys can see what the braiding pattern looks like, so just watch that. It's gonna make a lot more sense. After the cornrows, this is what the hair looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the crochet braids. I actually did the cornrow part the night before, and then the actual installation I did the day of our travel. This is how you actually install the crochet braids. You're gonna get your crochet needle. This is a latch hook needle. You're gonna pass this needle through your cornrow. You're gonna open up your crochet braids at the loop, and you're gonna attach that loop onto your crochet needle, pass it through your hair, and then you're gonna pass the rest of the crochet hair through the loop. It makes more sense if you actually watch it. Like, hearing me talk about it, what am I saying? Like, what the heck am I saying? Just watch it. I'm gonna have another slow motion clip and you guys can just watch it and see what I do. This hair took me about 5 hours to do because I was honestly really busy while I was doing this hair. I was chatting, I was watching videos, I was having a good time, okay? I wasn't in a hurry initially when I started doing the hair. Plus, it took me forever to detangle my hair, let's be honest. So, if you want to save time on this hair, go ahead and detangle beforehand, and it should probably take you about 3 to 4 hours to do, okay? Maximum 3 to 4 hours. This hair cost me $8.99 at my local beauty supply store. I found links online to where you can get this for about $6, so I'm gonna link it down below. If you want to save money, go ahead and use the links down below. After doing my hair about halfway, I realized that the goddess locks were looking kind of like they were just looking too smooth, and I felt like they were not looking like the real, you know, like that Rastafari look when you do your goddess locks. So I decided to untwist the locks. So as you guys can see me do in this clip, I'm untwisting them counterclockwise. It made the lock look a lot more realistic. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair. I cannot begin to tell you how many compliments I got on this hairstyle. Like, everyone loved this hairstyle in Vegas. Like, everyone was raving about it. Okay, now I'm exaggerating, okay, but I did get tons of compliments. So this is a perfect hair for the summer. If you guys are looking for a protective style this summer, this is a perfect hair. I absolutely love it. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead, red button down below. Actually, I'm gonna be taking this hair down in a few days because I'm gonna be filming a crap ton of natural hair videos. So if you want to see more natural hair videos from me, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.